to show you this plastic Lazy Susan that I received from the company. I got the 4-pack and I'm really excited about how like easy of a tool it is to help organize, whether it be for like your kids' crafts, your refrigerator, medicine cabinet. You could use it anywhere in the house. First, I just wanted to give you an up close look. I think this plastic is very thick. It's not one that's going to break. And I like that the wall's not too high. So, you know, it doesn't take up a ton of space going this way. So you can fit a lot in here. This is perfect to put out on your table for your kids, for like all their homework stuff, like maybe their scissor or pencils, different things that they need, or craft supplies. Or in the fridge, you could put like your mustard, your mayonnaise, and then, you know, you don't have to like dig around the fridge to find it. You can just leave it there and then spin it around. So the mechanism on here is just really high quality. I'm not worried at all of it like breaking or snapping or coming apart. It came delivered in one piece, so you don't have to assemble anything. So I just wanted to give you a closer look at just how much you can actually fit in here. This is just like a regular kid's ibuprofen. Their vitamins. So I like that, you know, it's not like all stored back where you don't know exactly. You could just store it and then rotate it around and be able to find exactly what you need. And you could really get a good look at how much can fit in here. It just fits a ton. So if you're looking for something to help organize in your house, this is perfect for so many different reasons. I also like to just have stuff like this on hand. So maybe I don't buy it with a purpose at first, but then I have it so that when I do go to organize or I have an idea, I have it already to help me with whatever. This is also really good for like our garage to put different tools and different things in here. So super happy with this quality of something like this, as well as the size and the value. I would definitely recommend this.